This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's a thrill to be here helping you find the guitar. In this video, we're going to learn some new voicings, a new voicing for E7, and we're going to learn the Aadd9 chord. We're also going to learn the Dadd9 chord. And then, of course, we'll jam together on some chord progressions. And when I say jam together, I mean you, me, and the band, as I've recorded a band track for us to play along with. Gives us that real context, so it's super cool. This video accompanies Lesson 17 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. Right now in the method book and in this lesson series, we're working especially on learning Aadd9 chords. We've also been working on learning a couple new voicings for our basic first position chords. We learned a G chord previously, now we're learning that E7 chord. In the book, we're going to be on page 111 as we start. We'll be on pages 111 and 112 and 113 learning the voicings, and then we'll be on some pages, some different pages as we play the progressions that we're going to jam together on. Let's go ahead and start on page 111 with the E7 chord. I've also got it up here on the board, and you'll see it there on page 111, comparing the E7 that's familiar to us, that we've played a lot, and now this new E7. So there's really two chords in first position that we kind of alternatively go back and forth between voicings on. One is the G chord that we learned, that you also see there on page 111, and E7 is the other one. So this is another option for E7. We play this one in more of a bluesy context most of the time, but we're going to use it with the chord progressions that we're playing today. So with this E7, if you put down the E chord that we know and then add your pinky to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, you get that nice E7 chord sound. So, index, middle, ring, and pinky. Index goes at the 1st fret of the 3rd string, middle at the 2nd fret of the 5th string, ring at the 2nd fret of the 4th string, pinky at the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and you get that nice E7 chord. So you can get comfortable with that one, just strumming right along. And then on to the Aadd9. With this one, we're taking the A chord that we would normally play, and we need to take what would normally be at the 2nd fret of that 3rd string and move it 2 frets higher. To do this, I use index, middle, and then pinky. So index at that middle fret, or that 2nd fret on the 4th string, middle finger at the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, and then pinky at the 4th fret on the 3rd string. You play the top 5 strings and you get that cool Aadd9 sound. So you can kind of just get comfortable with that one. The first chord progression we're going to jam together on is number 6 on page 115. With that one, we are using the down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern, so that's a great way to just get warmed up with these. If you want to, you can go back and forth between the two chords. So we have Aadd9, to that E7, to the Aadd9, to E7, 7 to the Aadd9, to the E7. Just go back and forth if you want to. Alright, so we're going to play that one there on page 115. Number 6 on page 115. We're also going to jam together on number 14 on page 117. With this one, the strumming pattern goes down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. We've done that strumming pattern before, but that's there in review. You can practice that one with the chords as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and jam together on these two progressions. Each one will happen at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and a faster tempo. If you need to, you can mute the strings and just work on the string pattern, or don't worry about strumming at all and just worry about fingering those chords in the left hand and then put it together. But this is going to be great. Let's go ahead and play these. Okay, so let's take a look at the Aadd9 chord now. I've got it here on the board. You can also see it there on page 112. With this one, what normally happens with our D chord, what's happening on that second string at the 3rd fret needs to be 2 frets higher. So for this one, I bar over those top 3 strings at the 2nd fret and then use my pinky to reach up to the 5th fret to play on that 2nd string what we have happening here, which is actually where our 9th is. So I bar at the 2nd fret across the top 3 strings. We're going to play the 4th string open. We're not going to play the 5th and 6th strings, and then the pinky goes at the 5th fret on the 2nd string, and you get Aadd9. Beautiful sounding chord as well. Can be tricky to get to, so it's okay to go back and forth, for example, between the Aadd9 and that Aadd9. Just work it back and forth as much as you need to. We're going to jam together on number 9 there on page 116. With this one, the strumming pattern goes down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So you might just want to get comfortable with that on that Aadd9. You can also go back and forth between the Aadd9 and the Aadd9. Okay, so let's go ahead and play this progression together. It'll happen at 2 different tempos. Like I've mentioned with the other ones, you can just work on the strumming pattern with muted strings. You can just work on getting your hands to these voicings and, of course, putting it together. But let's go ahead and play this. Alright, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this. In the next video, we're going to take a look at F-Add9 and E-Add9, play some more progressions. It's going to be great. Take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.